What's going on, everyone? Happy Monday. So, today was one of those days where do I trade? Do I not trade? What do I do? So, my son had his award ceremony this morning at school from 9 to 10. So, I was like, I don't know if I'm even going to trade or not. We'll just kind of see how it goes. And then I was like, well, I can at least turn the screen on and see if I see anything and just be patient. I kept telling myself over and over and over again, be patient, be patient, be patient. So as we traded in, as I came in today, we came down. We were trading down through here, and I was like, okay, this is good. I would like to see us come back. This is the pre-market high. I would like to see us come back to here and bounce, and that's exactly what we did. But this candle took off too soon, and it was just too much of a stop. I couldn't get in. So then this one happened, and I kept wanting to get in, but I was like, my stop needs to be down here unless it puts in something better. If this had been a normal RBI, or yeah, RBI, I would have taken it if it hadn't been for this long wick, if I could have had my stop in here, but it wasn't. So then we pushed up higher, and then we put in this smaller one. So it's like, okay, here's an RBI I can take. So I put my entry in. We had pushed down first. You can see we opened up here and pushed down, and then we started pushing back up. So I was like, okay, we're coming off of this EMA now, just to go higher was what was my thesis. So I entered, we came down, then we put in this sword, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to get in on this sword. I was in three contracts here. I was like, if I can get in three more contracts here, I can target them. I had $560 was my target, was all I needed to fund this account. I tried to get an entry in here, and it canceled it because it was just too fast. It just happened too fast, and I wasn't able to get my entry in, and then it went up and up and up, and I'm like, ah, crap. Like, this would have been fine for me, because three contracts here at 57 would have been, or 57.25, out at 60.25, that's another 3 points, that's another $450, plus I had these three contracts from over here, would have been perfect. And then I drew this, so I had this trend line already drawn. I drew this trend line as we were putting these in. Well, then this candle happened afterwards, and I was like, I don't like this candle. So I was like, we opened on this one, we pushed back up. I was like, if we can get through this trend line, my initial target was like up here. I was like, if we can get through this trend line, we can hit that target at the 62s. We're good to go. 62.50 was actually my target, and so then we pushed back down and stopped me out. So then I was like, okay, let's do a new high to high. So I drew the high to high trend line. I noticed this where we'd come down and stopped here. So I tried to take another entry off of the hold off of this sword. Tried to take this as a sword and got stopped out. And then we pushed back down to the overnight high again and pushed back up. I tried to take another entry on the break of that, and I only had one contract to be able to do, and I wound up getting stopped out there as well. So rough trading day today.